Nestled amidst the breathtaking beauty where Meghalaya meets Assam, lies the newly unveiled Kupli Orchid Resort, a sweeping aerial view of the lush, verdant landscape of West Jaiñtia Hills in Meghalaya, with the Kupli River winding gracefully through it. Welcome to a sanctuary of tranquility and luxury, where every moment is crafted with care and warmth. At Kupli Orchid Resort, we redefine hospitality with a blend of comfort and sophistication. Our dedicated staff, trained in the art of impeccable service, ensure your stay is nothing short of extraordinary. Indulge in culinary delights that celebrate the flavors of the region. Prepared with the freshest ingredients and served with a smile. For those seeking adventure, embark on a motorboat ride along the tranquil Kupli River, or let your children explore and play in Orchid's park. Whether you're here to unwind, explore, or create cherished memories, Kupli Orchid Resort invites you to experience hospitality at its finest. Your journey to serenity begins here.